Hello again, it's Michael, and today we'll be rationalizing the denominator. So, the reason why we're doing this is because mathematicians have concluded that you cannot have a radical in the denominator. So what we're doing is trying to rewrite this expression in a different form so that the radical is no longer in the denominator. So the first thing we can do, since the indexes are the same, is that I am going to write it the fraction over one big radical, or inside one big radical. 5xy squared over xy to the third. So now that we have this, it's easier to simplify. So I can see that there are two x's, 1x over an x. That equals 1, so I can just cross it out. I can see that y squared over y to the third is the same thing as y to the 2 minus 3, which is the same thing as y to the negative 1, which is the same thing as 1 over y. So we can cross this out and put 1 over y. In the third step, I'm going to clean this up. So now it's going to look like this. Square root of 5 over y. It may look like there's not a radical in the denominator, but there still is, because it can be written as the square root of 5 over the square root of y. And there's still a radical in the denominator. So what we can do to fix this is multiply by 1. In this case, the square root of y over the square root of y. This makes the square root of y squared and square root of 5 times the square root of y. So that will equal the square root of 5y over the square root of y squared. And the square root of y squared is the same thing as y. So in the fourth step, I'm just going to clean this up a little more. Square root of 5y over y. And that is your final answer. Thanks for watching.